Protect your home 24 hours a day. Be able to see who's outside your home from any part of the world. With TBM Technologies. We design, develop, and distribute visual doorbell security and video surveillance systems. Our products will complement any home design and give a great smart home accent with our unique 7-inch wall monitor visual doorbell system. Anyone can stand up and talk with the people outside the house, take snapshots of suspicious movements, or view previous photos or video recordings with touch operation. We have visual doorbells available for single-family homes, multi-unit apartments, businesses and offices, gated communities, and more. By providing outstanding results and higher customer satisfaction, TBM Technologies envisions itself as the strategic and preferred leader in its industry. The only bad thing about a visual doorbell is the knock-knock jokes fall flat because you already know who's there. TBM Technologies. Be smart, make your home smart.